Okay, so we're going to do problem number 2 now. So that's what's behind me. I want to talk about what's on the right side of this problem, and that's the square root, cube root, fourth root. Looks like this. So I'm just going to kind of describe what you've seen before. So you know, whenever you had a problem that looked like this, say 4 or whatever. I don't know if you can see that. Let me use a different color. So we had a whole day where it was like, what cancels a square? And you guys learned that square roots cancel squares, right? If I change this to a 3, you learned that cube roots cancel cubes, right? That was the whole gist. Well, that's essentially what this is saying. So it's just a reminder, what cancels a square root? A square. So square root and a square. So these two things cancel each other out, right? So you can probably fill this in now knowing what we want. We have a cube root and a cube and a fourth root and a fourth. That's my and sign, by the way. Okay. So again, it works the same way. So if a cube root and a cube cancel each other out, well, then it kind of makes sense in this next problem what we're going to do. So before we start cubing or squaring or doing whatever, let's move to 4. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So now I get the cube root of x equals 4. Right? And then again, you can just ask yourself, what cancels a cube root? Well, cubes. Cubes cancel cube roots. So if I put a cube here and a cube here, what happens? This cancels this, leaving you just with x. And what is 4 to the third power? You have 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. And that's it. Nice and easy. So move the numbers first, then cube or square or fourth or whatever the number is after. Do that at the very, very end once you've moved everything around. Okay, let's do problem number 3.